Hey guys, here we are with another installation video, this time for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Depending on which kit you got, it may have come with a small bottle of application solution. If not, I'll show you how to make it at home, and it's pretty easy. First, prepare a cup of clean water. Then, add about half a teaspoon of dish soap, and stir. We're going to be using this cup of solution to dip the film in, but if you have one of these spray bottles, you can also put the solution in there. First, make sure your device is turned off. Next, use the microfiber cloth to clean the watch's screen, making sure all dust and fingerprints are out of the way. Here's a side tip. You can also use a piece of tape to pick up any remaining specks of dust. If you have one of these lint rollers at home, you can use that too. Next is to take one of the screen protectors and peel it off the backing paper. It comes off just like a sticker. Now you may notice that the film is hazy or blurry. This is normal. The film is designed to activate once you put application solution on it. Once it dries, it should dry crystal clear, and I'm going to show you guys that at the end of this video. Next, dip the film into the application solution, including your fingers. This will help prevent fingerprints from forming while you're doing the installation. If you're using a spray bottle, go ahead and spray the adhesive side, turn it over, spray the top side. Whether you're spraying it or dipping it, make sure that you shake off any excess liquid. We're now going to take the Galaxy Active Watch 2 and place a screen protector on it. Adhesive side down. Now, if you can see, while the film is still wet, I can almost move it around freely. This will allow me to place it in the center position as much as possible. At this point, you can push out any bubbles that's underneath the surface using your finger, and I do that by holding one side of the film and just gently gliding my finger onto the surface. I'm going to turn it around and do it on the other side. Now if you lose center position, just go ahead and slide the film back into place. You can also use the included application card to smooth out the surface of the screen. Just hold one side of the film and apply light pressure. Now again, if you lose center position, just go ahead and slide the film back into place. The goal of these steps is to have the film as flat as possible before it starts to dry. If you're having trouble getting the corners or the sides to stick, that just means that the film is still too wet from the solution. The film is designed to be less sticky the more wet it is with the solution. All we need to do is wait for it to dry a little bit more. It has now been a few minutes and the film is starting to dry. As you can see, I can no longer move the film like I used to in the previous steps. If the sides and corners are lifting, just go ahead and push them down. If you push them down and they don't stick, that just means the film is a little bit too wet. Just give it a couple more minutes for it to dry a little bit more. We're now going to work our way around the watch and pressing the sides and corners down. At this point, we just need to let the film to cure, so just set it back down and let it dry. It is now the morning of the following day, and as you can see, the film is pretty much stuck on there. It can no longer move around. If you see any streaks, that's pretty much its dried up solution, so we're just going to use our microfiber cloth to clean that off. If you see any more micro bubbles underneath the surface at this point, that will go away in a couple hours and eventually completely go away in a day or two. I'm going to show you guys the finished results at the end of this video, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you and have a good day.